Understanding Safety Stop, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, safety stop. This is a common phrase used in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your comprehension of English in everyday situations. Safety stop is a compound noun composed of two words, safety, meaning the condition of being protected from or unlikely to cause danger, risk, or injury, and stop, which means to come to a halt or end a movement. When combined, safety stop generally refers to a precautionary halt or pause designed to ensure safety. 2.1 In diving. In scuba diving, a safety stop is a common practice where divers pause for a few minutes at a shallow depth before surfacing. This stop helps prevent decompression sickness, ensuring a safer ascent to the surface. 2.2 In transportation. In transportation, a safety stop can refer to a mandatory stop at certain points, like railway crossings, to ensure no oncoming traffic or trains pose a risk. 2.3 In general usage. In everyday language, safety stop might be used to describe any pause or stop made to ensure safety, such as taking a moment to double-check equipment before starting a potentially hazardous activity. 1. During their dive, the group made a safety stop at 15 feet for 3 minutes. 2. The bus made a safety stop at the railroad crossing, as required by law. 3. Before using the new machinery, let's make a safety stop to go over the instructions again. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, safety stop, and its various uses in English. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.